Hey guys, what we have here in this packet is a dash cam. Now this is not any regular dash cam. This actually is a cool looking dash cam. Now I don't know much about it, so we'll find out as we go along with this video. So this is what it kind of looks like in the box. On the box, the front is 2K, and then I don't know about the back. I feel like it's 1080p probably. But yeah, you got front and back. Packaging is pretty nice. Enjoy your smart driving, Wi-Fi, GPS, 2K, 0.96 screen. Let's go and open this up. Beautiful. Let's open the box. We got the dash cam itself right on the outside here. Let's go ahead and take that out. I like how these are wrapped pretty good with these protective pieces. So this is the camera itself. Okay, so the reason why I picked this is because of the screen itself. The screen is very tiny and it's very small. I don't think the screen shows you any video or anything, or I'm not sure if it does, but it's super small. I just needed something less distracting, so this is kind of what I was looking for. And then this piece here, it swivels up and down to, you know, accommodate the curvature of the windshield. And then this is the camera itself. It says 2K Wi-Fi on it. The company logo is here. LINGDU. Is that the name? I think it's LINGDU. I'm not sure if it's a C because it's upside down. I think it's LINGDU. Anyways, we've got recording, GPS, mic, and R. All of that, you know, R is probably for the rear camera indication here, so you'll never be like thinking like, yeah, am I recording on the other one, or, you know, is any of these working or anything like that. There's a lot of vents on the side and on the front, and, you know, on the top and bottom. Probably the side one might be a speaker, can't really tell, but yeah, there's a lot of venting and stuff to make sure that it doesn't overheat. We've got a USB-A on this other side, and then we've got a I'm not sure if this is 3.5 millimeter jack or whatever, but we've got a jack here for the rear camera. We've got a button for Wi-Fi, and then we've got an SD card already pre-installed in here. This is a 64 gigabyte, same brand as the camera. It's a V30A2. So not bad, pretty good for, you know, recording 2K videos, and it just, you know, connects to the windshield just by, you know, a sticker. You just peel it off, peel the cover off, and then you just stick it on. So we'll get to that in a minute, but let's go through the rest of it. This is the other part of it, and then here we have all the chaos on the bottom of the case. In our case, fun stuff. Here we are. So this is the back camera. Look at the amount of wiring in here. So no matter how big the car is, I feel like you're always gonna have enough wiring to get to the back of the car. Same kind of situation. It's kind of like a mini version of that big camera. We got this, you know, swiveling up and down to match the curvature of the back window, so it goes all the way in the front side. So that means, like, you know, if you didn't want to mount it up to the headliner or anything like that, which you really shouldn't, and I don't think it sticks like that good, then you could basically just, you know, stick it on the glass, you know, and be okay with that. It would stick really nice on the glass, but make sure you clean it though. So yeah. We got the logo on the back. I don't see any venting or anything. I don't think it needs it. It's pretty small. It doesn't have any other function of, you know, even storing or anything like that. So yeah, and then we got all this long wire. This could be tucked in somewhere, you know, through the headliner and stuff like that, through the trims, so you can hide some wires and things like that. But yeah, you have a back camera that's always going to be recording as you drive. We've got another sticker here. This is definitely for the bigger one, so in case you want to relocate this and then this sticker doesn't, you know, work anymore, you have another one. So that's pretty nice of them to actually have that. And then we've got a cigarette port USB. So there's only one, which is kind of disappointing. Should have at least had it two. Could have kind of used it, right? But yeah, we only got one, but it's okay because I have a multi-plug in every car, which has like these, and like they're hidden away, so this will be hidden away if I use this. And then we have another cable. Now this cable is pretty long too. Sometimes what I like to do is connect everything in the back of the car so I don't see anything. Now this is going to connect to the front camera. This is the power basically, and this would connect on this thing or the outlet or whatever. This is going to give both cameras power basically. Then we also got a user manual in case you need it. And then we've got something pretty nice, which I always get happy if they actually send this. We got something else too, we'll get to that in a minute, but this here is a panel clip panel tool. So you'd basically use this to kind of pry out the panels and then put the wirings in so you don't make a mess in your car. Pretty nice thing to give. You could actually, I forgot how much it was around like $10. You could actually get a panel clip like a plier, so you actually like, you know, put it in, and like when you press it, it kind of opens up the panel, which is way, you know, better for your hands, because this is gonna make sure your fingers are tired. But if you have one car, I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. We have some clips to hold the wires with some adhesive. This is something I use like near the front camera where I don't have anything to tuck it into, especially, you know, from the camera to the headliner. So this is where I use it. And we have this thing here. This is possibly okay. So it's like a mount. I feel like maybe they sell a mount in their store. I feel like this is a mount which would you would put the adhesive on this thing and then, you know, have it like this, and then you could like take it off and on and then take this to different cars, which would be pretty nice if you drive multiple cars and they don't want to have like one dedicated for each one. This would be something nice to have. Cool, got it. Now that would be challenging for the back one, so I'm not sure what yeah, so you guys get it. These are a bunch of films. These films are gonna help you. These are basically like, you know, adhesive. It'll basically stick onto the glass or wherever you're trying to mount these things, and then it'll basically just help you taking this thing off without leaving a residue on the glass or whatever surface you mount these to. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.